Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add sign in here in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a sign in here in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process and can be done using the fill-in sign tool or the digital signature for more secure documents. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the documents that I wanted to add a sign in. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific file right here. It would forward me to this section. Now, go to the left side panel of your dashboard and there should be an option that says fill and sign your document or request e-signatures. Let's do that. Now, it's very easy really. All I'm gonna do, you see, you can fill in and sign your documents quickly and securely and easily share them to others to e-sign. It's very easy. All I'm gonna do is add a signature, right? For example, this is gonna be our signature. You can type, say for example, you can draw if you want. Right, so let's draw. For example, this is gonna be my signature. All right, it's my sign in. Okay, you also have an option to add your image right here if you want. Right, so select an image as your signature. All I have to do is click the save file. I'll save. What will happen? It will be forwarded here. Now, after doing so, all right, you can add initials right here. For example, DL. Again, it's a similar process. You can add, you can draw if you want. Click on save. Now that you have that, you can always edit your signature and your initials. And after doing so, after adding your sign in, you might want to click the invite to e-sign right here. What would happen is you would be forwarded to a new page right here. Just wait. It takes a little while because Adobe Acrobat is setting up things for you, right? All you're going to do now is add the recipient. Type in the email address of your client, your boss, so they would know that you have already added your sign in to the document that you wanted. And of course, this is going to be requesting e-signatures, all right? We have a separate video on how to dive deep in using the e-signatures. But for now, that's it in adding sign in. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.